Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope you happy and stay healthy. For beginning my presentation, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Rahmat Al-Kafi. You can call me Rahmat. I'm a student in Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta with the major Plantation Management Diploma 4. In today, I will presentation my argumentative essay with the title is How Important is the Development of Harvest Tools in Plantation Palm Oil. Harvesting of oil palm plantation is the cutting of fresh fruit bunches from the trees to transporting them to the mill. Harvesting includes determining harvest criteria, harvest density, harvest rotation, forecasting production of harvesters, harvest organization, harvesting and harvest monitoring, or Pusat Penelitian Kelapa Sawit 20 and 9. The harvesting process is important because it determines the yield and quality of palm oil. Fresh fruit bunches, or FFB, harvested must be immediately transported to the factory for processing. Fruit that is not processed immediately will produce oil with high levels of free fatty acids, or ELB. The increase in ELB can be prevented by processing carried out no later than 8 hours after harvest, Lubis 20 and 12. However, the problem is that there are many poor conditions of infrastructure for palm plantation, and the unavailability of transportation for oil palm fruit. So far, transporting palm fruit has been done manually, with workers using rickshaws or rickshaws. Palm fruit is stored in temporary shelters by the roadside, especially during the rainy season. It could be that thousands of tons of palm fruit are not transported because there is no means of transportation to carry them out. The risk is that the fruit will rot or the free fatty acid content will be very high, causing the quality of palm oil to be less good. Oil palm fruit harvesting in Indonesia is still done manually and released on human labor. The way to harvest oil palm fruit is by cutting fresh fruit bunches, or FFB, and cutting the leaf midribs that hinder the FFB cutting process. Currently, Indonesia uses traditional harvesting tools, namely dodos and agrek. Dodos use a knife with the chisel shape which is connected to a long pipe, while agrek use a cycle-shaped knife or cycle connected to a long pipe. Dodos is generally used for oil palm trees with a height of 2 until 5 meter, while agrek is used for oil palm trees with a height of 5 meter or more. This traditional tool requires a lot of energy from the user because to cut FFB, a piercing motion is used for dodos and a pulling motion of agrek. Fauzi et al. 20 and 12. As the means of transportation, they are still classified as traditional using wheelbarrows, motorbikes, wicker basket, if the access is still easy and flat. However, high access or brick and mud will make it very difficult for farmers. One of the obstacles in oil palm plantation when the plants are at GM producing plants is the problem of transporting FFB, which is usually transported from inside the block to the PKS palm oil mill. Topographical conditions in the field, such as swampy or low, hilly off-wave areas, conditions of unmaintained production roads and access roads, or K roads that are always damaged, are a challenge for every planter. High transportation cost on plantations, not to mention extreme weather conditions such as very high rainfall or GH, flood or hot weather, and generate dust that disturbs the surrounding community. Limited natural resource or SDA, such as leathery gravel or crocus material as the basic material for road maintenance in the garden, contribute to making road maintenance cost production roads and K roads very high, and also having to use heavy equipment in road maintenance and other. From the problems above, the author will innovate by developing transportation that is able to be the best solution during the harvest process, so that it can help farmers and can support the increase in palm oil production in Indonesia. An example could be the use of lawn mower. The lawn mower machine generally rotates to cut the grass. This grass trimming machine will later be engineered into a palm harvesting tool. The motion of the blade will be converted into translational motion for cutting the palm branches. These palm harvesting tools will provide convenience in terms of working time and reduce the risk of farmers, so that farmers no longer need a lot of energy to cut the oil palm branches. Based on the description above, the team overall a solution in the form of a palm harvesting machine designed through the engineering of a carrying lawn mower, where this tool can cut oil palm branches and the height of the pole can be adjusted according to height of the oil palm. This tool will be used as an alternative solution to assist farms as a first step in the oil palm harvesting process. This palm harvesting machine is designed so that later it can still be used to cut grass. The objectives of engineering this palm harvesting machine are: 1. Development of a grass trimming machine into a palm harvesting tool. 2. Design and produce tools that can be manufactured and used oil palm plantation and smallholder oil palm farmers using a transmission system that moves back and forth on dodos or egret. This tool is very appropriate to be used by small farmers in managing oil palm, wherein managing oil palm requires a lot of maintenance cost and the cost of harvesting oil palm. So if you use a palm harvesting tool, it can be more efficient in terms of time and reduce the risk of work accidents. In the process of making palm harvesting tools, the first step is to search the literature related to the work of oil palm harvesting tools. Then proceed with the design of the machine using the 20 and 15 solid work application. The planned design and parameters are adjusted to the availability of materials on the market. The next activity is the collection of materials and equipment needed to carry out the process of making palm harvesting machines. The stage of making the machine include planning machine elements, manufacturing machine element, and assembling palm harvesting equipment. Stage of the tool testing process to maximize the work of oil palm harvesting equipment, and the last stage is evaluating the performance of palm harvesting machines. If there are deficiencies in the oil palm harvesting machine, it is necessary to replace it in the form of design and planning of machine elements. Now we move to of summary of my argumentative essay. The harvesting process is very influential on the success of the landowner because of need for better tools to help the harvest process to be more efficient and faster. With the presence of the means of transportation, it is hoped that production will be better and can add to Indonesian economy in the agricultural sector. Okay, I think that's all from me with my argumentative essay. Sorry for many mistakes. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.